What is going on, you guys? It's your local businessman Cam here, back with another video. And today we're going to be doing an engine bay cleaning. I'm just going to be showing you guys kind of how I do my engine bay cleanings. I apologize if there's any wind or whatever going through the camera. It's pretty like strong right now, as I'm in like the place where I live is like in a valley. So I'm just going to be taking you guys how I do an engine bay detail with some basic products that you guys can easily acquire. Also, this video is going to be filmed. I'm on my main camera right now, and I fixed up some settings and stuff, so hopefully the video quality is a little better than other videos or previous videos. But mainly is going to be filmed on this new to me GoPro Hero 4. So this is the last GoPro that didn't have image stabilization. So we're going to see in the video today how it's going to end up being. I ordered a head mount and a chest mount as well, so that should be coming in soon. But for today, I'm literally just gonna be holding it with one hand, and it's gonna be a POV type video. So I'm not gonna be filming with the big camera. I'm gonna be filming with this, and we're gonna see how the video turns out. So I'm just trying to upgrade my quality, so you know, try different things. I'll be doing POV interior details and exterior details and whatnot, just kind of upping my quality, doing different types of things. So quickly, I just kind of want to show you guys this. Kind of cool. I recently got this. As you guys can see, there's the name of my, hold on, let me focus that. Here is the name of my detailing company, Purple Rain Mobile Detail. I just recently got this sticker put on here, you know, which is free advertisement, which is really awesome. So hopefully this pays back. I believe I paid a little over $100 for these stickers, which is real nice. I got it done by One Day Wraps. It's my local wrap shop, so I kind of got my Instagram right there. Got the logo that I had made here. Which I drew, and I just had someone put it into, you know, realness or whatever, I don't even know, but, and then I have my phone number right there, so that's all pretty cool. So now let me take you guys around here and show you guys the tools and products I'll be using for today's detail. Also, I want to thank you guys for pretty much 60 subscribers. As you guys have seen this video, my channel has been scaling a decent amount for you know, just starting and being so small, so I really appreciate that. So in today's detail, all we're going to be using is a clean microfiber towel, an easy, not an easy detail, easy detail wheel brushes that is, I believe it's like 18 inches, or something like that, yeah. But we're just gonna use that to, you know, reach in the cracks and crevices. I'm gonna clean this up and rinse it off a bit, but we're gonna use one of these applicator pads. I'll show you why in a second. This is gonna be the main agitation brush. This is just one of those boar's hair brushes that, you know, you'll use to agitate, and this will be the main source of agitation. You can find these at your local AutoZones. I'm pretty sure that's where I got mine. And then we're gonna be using this new extra tough multi-purpose cleaner that Wilson Auto Detailing recommended. And also I did like a semi-review, which I'll be finishing soon of this, but this will be another great test of how well it can get grime off. And then we'll be using some chemical guides, VRP, to dress it afterwards, vinyl, rubber, and plastic protectant. And then as a main source of water, I don't live in a house. I actually live in an apartment in which I am hooked up to the water source here. And so, and I don't have a little, I don't have a hose for that, I don't have like a gun for the end of that. So I'm just literally gonna be putting my thumb at the end, which will create pressure and push it out. You guys will see here in a second. Just a quick tip, guys, I do recommend covering any electrical parts, but I'm pretty good at this, so like at this point, like I've learned a lot about engine detailing, and you just got to be careful when you're spraying. Don't use a pressure washer and spray directly on it. This is pretty much what I recommend. Just kind of lightly just mist over everything, and as you guys can see, I got my thumb on it, so it's not a huge amount of pressure. It's just kind of, you know, lightly going over everything to get the you know, the top layer of dirt off, and this will already make everything look a lot better. So the next step that I'll be doing is I'm gonna go ahead and use this extra tough, and I'm gonna go ahead and just spray everything down now. So I'm gonna use a lot of it, and you guys are gonna see this is 100%, no dilution, nothing like that. I'm gonna spray this everywhere, and it's gonna kind of get all that dirt and grime buildup mixed in, and it's gonna start knocking it off and getting it, it's gonna get it real loosened up for me. So that way when I come in with the agitation, it'll be a lot easier for me to agitate. And now I'm gonna go ahead and agitate. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the GoPro down so you guys can see that process. Okay, so now as you guys can see, I have everything agitated with that brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to this brush for, you know, any little spots and nooks and crannies that I couldn't get spaces like this in between, so you can get on the side of there, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna kind of use this to agitate a little bit further. Use my hose, put my thumb on it to create a little bit of pressure, not too much. And I'm just gonna lightly go over everything again and get everything sprayed down. Get all that nasty dirt that I just agitated off. And plus, you guys can see I'll do a couple wipe downs there. Nothing on my fingers. There, nothing on my fingers over here on the battery. Nothing on my fingers here on the washer fluid. Nothing on my fingers, you know what I mean? So I went ahead and agitated everything. Same thing up here. Got all this cleaned up. I'll go ahead and wipe that down. You know what I'm saying? Nothing. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the engine so I can let it dry a little bit. It's gonna start warming up, and then everything will dry. And as I'm doing that simultaneously, I'm just gonna go ahead and get a last wipe on everything to make sure that last bit of dirt is off in the nooks and crannies and whatnot. And then after this, we'll go ahead and dress it with some vinyl VRP. Alright, you guys, so I pretty much let everything dry off. As you guys can see, the engine looks way better than it did before. There's obviously some like faded spots up here and whatnot, and you know, some uneven drying marks and whatnot, but I went ahead and turned the engine on, let it pretty much dry 100%. But you do want to kind of let this dry 100% just so you could know where the rest of the dirt is, if you missed any or anything like that. But I am antsy and I want to get this video out to you guys. So the last and final step, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off because it's a little bit dirty, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take, also, I know some of you guys are gonna be anal about this being on the ground. I'm not using it anymore. I'm gonna rinse it off for the next detail, and all this will be cleaned off. Any dirt, any pieces, anything on the ground will be rinsed off. But for now, I'm leaving it there, so please don't be mad. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this VRP, put it on this application pad, and spread it evenly around the rest of the engine. And then I'll go ahead and let that cure, dry, whatever, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the final product on the main camera so you guys can really see in completeness what the final thing looks like. Alrighty, you guys, so I went ahead and just finished up putting on the rest of the VRP on. Got a little boo-boo on the way there, but as you guys can see, I went ahead and put the VRP on. The nice thing about VRP chemical, guys, is it dries evenly. You know, sometimes with stuff like this, you know, stuff that makes coating or like a blackener or something like that, tends to leave like streaking, and sometimes you have to go over it a few times. So I just want to kind of give you guys a quick overview. I just went ahead and put it over everything, and as you guys can see, the engine looks way better now. You see, same thing with up here. I just put a little up here for fun. Obviously there is fading in some spots. So yeah, this is the overview. I'm gonna just give you a quick pan one more time so you guys can see it all. But that's pretty much the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy trying something new with the GoPro. I'm not sure how good the sound quality is gonna be, as I haven't edited the video yet. Pretty much what I do as far as engine bay detailing, guys. You know, so I'll just go over the steps real quick. Rinse, spray your any type of degreaser or whatever, agitate, rinse again, you know, go over any touch-ups, dry, then get your VRP, go ahead and coat that on and let it dry, and you'll get your final product. So if you guys did enjoy the video, please be sure to hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. So until next time, peace.